everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about mining Flux with a 3070 Ti LHR card. So today is January 15th, 2022. It is 5:43 p.m. Eastern Time, and the current price of Flux is $2.73. And I want to highlight that so that when we get into the profitability calculations, we have a solid point of reference. Before we get into this video, though, I do want to take a moment. We got a package in the mail from Crypty.co. So let's go ahead and open up that package and take a look and see what they sent us. All right, here we are. We got our package from Crypty.co. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what we got. Make sure there's no packing information with any doxing information. Wow, look at this. Dude, this is super cool. This is a Ravencoin t-shirt. This thing is awesome. Wow, the material on this is really nice. Wow, thank you so much, Crypty.co, for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Huge fan of Ravencoin, the project. So this is awesome. Thank you guys so very much. Let's hop over and take a look at their website real quick. There's a couple of things I want to discuss briefly about their website. So let's hop on over and take a look. All right, here we are at the Crypty.co website. So Crypty.co has crypto merchandise that supports all of these crypto projects. And if we click on Ravencoin, for example, so we got the Ravencoin t-shirt from them. They've got t-shirts, they've got hoodies, they've got mugs, hats, a flag, stickers, all sorts of really cool stuff for each of these projects. I love what these guys do. I do want to scroll down and I want to share with you one thing that I really love about these guys. So Crypty was started by a pair of crypto enthusiasts who wanted to spread awareness. We wanted more people to learn and at least understand the fundamental technology behind cryptocurrency. I love this. I love that these guys are into crypto and really just trying to spread the word and make people aware of the technology behind cryptocurrency. So I love what these guys do. I also want to point out that here at Crypty.co, Mining Office has his own clothing line. So again, you can get his t-shirts, you can get his hoodies, his hats, stickers, mugs. If you're not familiar with Mining Office, I really encourage you to go check out his YouTube channel. Please subscribe to his channel. He recently did an interview with a hobbyist miner, a one-on-one, where he did talk about Ravencoin and Flux, two things that we're already talking about here in this video. So go check him out, subscribe to his channel, take a look at the Mining Office clothing line he's got, take a look at all of the different crypto apparel available at Crypty.co. While you're over there, when you check out, if you use the code CRYPTO10, you'll get 10% off of your order. So again, Crypty.co, thank you so very much for sending over the Ravencoin t-shirt. I really appreciate it and will wear it proudly. Okay, let's jump back to the topic for this video. So here we're going to talk about Flux. We're going to talk about mining Flux with a 3070 Ti. So I recently did a video on Flux mining with a 3060 LHR. So I'm not going to get into a whole lot of specific details. I will put a link to the Flux 3060 LHR video. So if you do want to dive into some of the details, you can do so. But we're going to scroll down here a little bit and talk about specifically what we're doing for mining. We are using the minerpool.org mining pool, and we are mining with MiniZ for our GPU miner. But again, if you check out the runonflux.io/mining page, you will find a lot of information about mining Flux. Okay, so I also want to point one thing out. We are using minerpool.org. I noticed today that minerpool.org is right at 50% of the network hash rate. So pretty dangerously close to that 51% or over 50% where we worry about having too much of the network hash rate in one location. So something to think about when you're picking a mining pool. I just really encourage you to make sure that you're picking a mining pool that pays parallel assets when you're mining Flux. That is a big benefit to mining Flux. So whatever mining pool you choose, please make sure that it is paying out parallel assets. Okay, let's take a look at the configuration that we have in HiveOS for our 3070 Ti. So this is an LHR card. It is a Founders Edition, and we are running a core of plus 250, a memory clock of minus 1004, and a power limit of 180, and we are getting 66.3 solutions per second. So I tried a bunch of different memory overclocks, and all the way down to minus 1004, and all the way up to when I mine Ethereum on this 3070 Ti, I set the memory clock to 3200, and I found the best performance to actually be at minus 1004. So at 66.31 solutions per second at 180 watts, our efficiency is 0.368, which is extremely high from my experience on a 3070 Ti for mining Flux. So I was really, again, pleasantly surprised, but also equally surprised that running the memory clock all the way down as low as I could get it to minus 1004 gave me the best performance. So let's take these numbers over into what to mine, and let's take a look at our profitability. And for comparison purposes, I'm going to put in for Ethereum, I'm getting 60 megahash at 175 watts. And for Flux, we were getting 66.29 at 180 watts. So 66.29 at 180 watts. And let's compare our profitability between Ethereum and Flux. So right now, Ethereum, we're getting a revenue of $3.31 with a profit of $2.89 after electricity. With Flux, we're getting only $2.49 revenue and $2.06 profit after electricity. So we're not quite as profitable as we are on Ethereum, but again, there's a lot of forward-looking belief in Flux, that Flux could eventually take over Ethereum once Ethereum goes to from proof of work to proof of stake. So these are really encouraging results, knowing that this 3070 Ti does perform so well on Flux. But again, not quite as profitable as it is currently on Ethereum. All right, well, that's what we had for today. Again, I want to thank Crypty.co for sending us over the Ravencoin t-shirt. I want to ask everyone to go check out their website. Please check out the Mining Office YouTube channel. Please subscribe to his channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button, give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of content in the future. All right, hope everyone has a great rest of your day and look forward to seeing you all again very soon.